Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and hide followers in Instagram without private account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, the thing is that if you go to Instagram and let's go ahead, let's search a public account. So this person's account is public, right? So if we go to followers, we can also see that, and if we go to this following, we can also see that as well. So the thing is, if you want to simply turn off your followings, keeping your account public, is that you cannot actually public is for that reason. The simple thing that you have to do is you have to create yourself another account which is can be public, which won't matter whoever you follow, and can keep your account private if that following being visible matters to you the most. And yeah, once you have done so, you can also choose who can follow you, so your information can be too limited. So that is the only way. There is no other way for you to keep your following or followers private Instagram without turning your account private. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.